For weeks now, New Jersey residents have been plagued by unexplained drones flying overhead.
Weeks of reports of mysterious sights in the sky in the Northeast.
The first reports of these drones came in late 2024, when residents in Union County began noticing bright lights moving methodically through the sky at night. Witnesses described formations of 5 to 10 drones flying in synchronized patterns, often over residential areas. One resident, interviewed by NJ.com, described the experience. At first, I thought it was just a plane, but the way they moved, it was too deliberate. It was eerie. From Union County, the sightings quickly spread, with similar accounts popping up in Middlesex and Somerset counties. The New Jersey State Police confirmed they were investigating but have remained silent about their findings. Reports from locals have painted an unsettling picture. In Elizabeth, a witness recounted seeing the drones around midnight, saying, "They moved too perfectly to be kids playing around. It was almost military-like." Meanwhile, in Edison, another resident claimed the drones hovered over her backyard for nearly 15 minutes before abruptly vanishing. "It felt like they were watching us," she told NJ.com. A father in Woodbridge shared footage of drones flying in a perfect triangle formation, saying, "Whatever this is, it's coordinated." As sightings grew, so did theories. Let's break them down.
If they don't know what these objects are, and that's what they're admitting, how on earth can they give us any assurance that there's no national security threat or public safety risk?
One of the most plausible explanations is that the drones are part of a government or military project. This theory gained traction after a local journalist unearthed FAA filings detailing drone flight tests in proximity to McGuire Air Force Base. The methodical flight patterns and large formations align with practices used in reconnaissance or training missions. It wouldn't be the first government agencies conducted classified tests over civilian areas, opting for silence to avoid stirring public concern. With the surge of drone-based delivery systems, companies like Amazon or Google could be testing their technologies in real-world conditions. Drone delivery tests are increasingly common in urban areas, and New Jersey, with its dense population and varied terrain, could serve as an ideal testing ground. However, this theory is weakened by the lack of any public filings or statements from these companies acknowledging the activity in the region. Another theory is that the drones could be operated by pranksters or hobbyists. Yet, the precision of the flight formations and their repeated presence across multiple counties suggests an operation requiring significant resources and planning, making this explanation less likely. Additionally, hobbyist drones are typically limited by battery life and FAA regulations, further complicating this theory. Some have even speculated that the drones could be part of a foreign surveillance program. With increased geopolitical tensions, the possibility of foreign powers conducting reconnaissance isn't entirely out of the question. However, this theory remains speculative, with no concrete evidence to support it. The mysterious drone sightings quickly captured the public's imagination. Former President Donald Trump had this to say about these phenomena.
The government knows what is happening. Our military knows where they took off from. If it's a garage, they can go right into that garage. They know where it came from and where it went. And for some reason, they don't want to comment. And I think they'd be better off saying what it is. Our military knows and our president knows. And for some reason, they want to keep people in suspense. I can't imagine it's the enemy, because if it was the enemy, they'd blast it out. Even if they were late, they'd blast it. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people, and they should, because the people are really, I mean, they happen to be over Bedminster.
Local leaders, including New Jersey Mayor, have expressed concern, calling for transparency and further investigation from federal authorities. Scientists, on the other hand, remain cautious. Taking all the evidence into account, the most probable explanation leans towards government testing. It's common for military and federal agencies to conduct classified exercises under the radar. While officials might choose not to disclose details for security reasons, the sightings fit a pattern consistent with reconnaissance and advanced drone training exercises. So while the mystery drones over New Jersey have sparked countless theories, the most plausible answer lies in advanced government projects. The silence from officials, while frustrating, isn't unusual for operations deemed sensitive or classified. For now, these enigmatic visitors continue to dominate the skies and our imaginations. If you have any additional information or theories about the New Jersey drones, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's unsolved mysteries. And as always, keep looking up.